I'm Nick Brooks, a California civil litigation attorney. Today, I'm explaining the difference between demurrers and motions to strike, two powerful tools that defense attorneys such as myself use to challenge complaints at the outset and shape the direction of the case. California law gives defendants two major pleading challenges under the California Code of Civil Procedure. First, we have the demurrer, which attacks the legal sufficiency of claims under sections 430.10 through 430.80, while the motion to strike eliminates irrelevant, improper, or unsupported material from pleadings under California Code of Civil Procedure, section 436. A demurrer asks, even if these facts are true, is there a valid legal claim? A motion to strike targets specific portions of the pleading that aren't legally proper, like prayers for punitive damages in contract cases, prejudicial or irrelevant allegations, or sham claims meant to mislead. Motions to strike excel at narrowing the case scope. You can eliminate prayers for relief not supported by law, remove prejudicial matter that confuses issues, or strike fictitious allegations. They ensure that only legitimate claims and requests remain in the pleading. Use motions to strike to limit your exposure by eliminating unsupported damages claims or attorney's fees requests. They clarify pleadings by removing ambiguous or confusing allegations, and they set the tone. They show opposing counsel and the court that improper tactics will be challenged immediately. In my experience, a motion to strike generally requires less attorney time than a demurrer, typically 4 to 8 hours, including review, research, drafting, and the hearing. At a sample rate of $400 per hour, expect fees somewhere between $1,600 and $3,200. Straightforward motions may cost less, but complex matters may require more time. When you file a motion to strike jointly with a demurrer, the incremental cost is lower because the factual review, legal research, and paper preparation overlap. The extra time for the motion to strike is modest compared to preparing each motion independently. Unlike some discovery motions, prevailing on a motion to strike usually doesn't entitle you to recover attorney's fees unless specific statutory or contractual authority exists otherwise. All costs are client-borne, so have a candid conversation about the benefits, likelihood of success, and projected costs up front. Motions to strike must be filled with precision, generally at the time of or alongside the demurrer. California Code of Civil Procedure section 435.5 requires parties to meet and confer before filing. Insufficient meet and confer efforts can result in denial or sanctions. Use a motion to strike when you need to surgically remove improper allegations rather than launch a broad attack. Combine motions to strike with demurrers when both legal defects and improper matters exist to maximize efficiency. Always document your meet and confer efforts carefully. Always evaluate the cost benefit. Focus on the value of removing damaging allegations against the likelihood of success. Sometimes a targeted motion to strike is more effective and less expensive than fighting the issue later at trial. Motions to strike are potent and efficient tools for California litigators. When used thoughtfully, they narrow litigation scope, reduce risk, and focus court attention on the real controversy. Pairing them with demurrers improves both efficacy and cost efficiency. For more California litigation strategy tips, subscribe to my channel and please visit my legal blog at nickbrooksesq.com. That's nickbrooksesq.com. Thank you very much.